What if the restlessness you're feeling in your work isn't burnout, but a signal that it's time to evolve?
And what if in just 4 weeks you could step into a role where you don't just lead workouts, classes, you actually help people live healthier, happier lives?
You being here tells us you're a difference maker, someone who cares deeply about wellness, growth, and helping people live better lives.
You may already teach fitness, yoga, or wellness, but there's a quiet knowing inside you that says, there's more I can do, more impact I can make, and there's more purpose for me.
Yes, and we can tell you that voice doesn't get quieter with time, it does get louder.
I am Kimberly Spreen-Glick.
And I'm Terry Shorter.
Together, we bring over 50 years of experience as educators, coaches, and leaders in the fitness, yoga, and wellness space.
And we created the Inspired Life Coach certification as a live, heart-centered coaching experience for leaders ready to step into what's next. Not someday, but now.
Right now. This certification is for fitness professionals, yoga teachers, wellness coaches, and just purpose-driven leaders who want to expand beyond physical transformation and become confident life and wellness coaches who support whole person change.
Yes, and perhaps you're here because you want longevity in the industry without tearing down your body or burning out overall. You feel called to coach but want real confidence and structure, or you're already coaching and know it's time to do it better and deeper.
We get it. And we built the program we wish existed earlier in our own journeys.
Yes, and this is not a self-paced course that you buy, you bookmark, and you forget about.
No, this is a live, guided 4-week cohort, which means real-time coaching and feedback, a proven coaching framework you can use immediately, practice, embodiment, integration, accountability, so you actually finish. Plus, there's a community of like-minded souls that you get to lock arms with.
Plus, for certified fitness pros, this certification includes 10 hours of continued education from ACE, AFAA, and NASM, so you're not only growing personally and professionally, you're advancing your career overall.
Most people don't struggle because they lack passion. They struggle because they lack clarity, structure, confidence, and then they try to grow alone. Well, this experience is intentionally designed to overcome those struggles.
And we care about transformation, not just enrollment, and that's why this certification is live, interactive, and immersive.
And to support follow-through, we've added an incentive for you. When you attend, complete the assignments, and finish the final assessment,
you're going to receive $100 of your tuition right back.
Earn your money back. This is not a discount. It's just our way of saying we believe in you and we are committed to your success.
And everything we teach is built on 3 essential pillars.
There's philosophy, holistic well-being, mindset, ikigai, kaizen, how to coach through real-life challenges.
Process, which is the power process, a clear, repeatable framework to guide clients from stuck to empowered.
Then there's the business, the art and science of how to build a coaching practice, part or full-time, with purpose and in a way that supports your lifestyle and income without burnout or hustle.
Yes, and by the end of our 4 weeks, you won't just know how to coach, you'll be the coach, confident, grounded, and ready to go.
Remember, this is a live cohort, and we've intentionally limited the enrollment to protect the depth, connection, and the coaching quality of the experience.
And this means once enrollment closes, the cohort begins, and the next opportunity won't come around again for a while.
So if you've been waiting for the right time, this is it. When support, structure, and community are all built in for you.
So if you're ready to stop wondering what's next, and if you're ready to grow with guidance instead of guessing,
well, we invite you to join us inside the upcoming live cohort experience. But remember, spots are limited.
Yes, if you feel the pull, trust it. Register right now to secure your place as a founding member of the Inspired Life Coach certification.
We cannot wait to welcome you inside.